Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Cox.
Tiwo, khamba jam.
Ongibizela ka Mr. Sizokuthola.
Sizokuthola yazi ungena ngama bulletproof.
Oh yeah, no, right.
Yeah, vandaag
tired.
Yeah. Yes.
Fresh, kuma ku VIP ngo.
Ntwana asiyekele zobo VIP. Ngisedli.
And now so to collab.
Next.
So the casting.
Tiwo crazy. Steve was getting a game in Steve. Not the easy game.
Yeah.
Not easy to win a league. Naisanta only through Willing Bonilla. Kunzima for one now. Kunzima 14. Yes. Chiefs even a puzzle one to complete, you know. Because they didn't have a puzzle Ugusi win. They didn't have a puzzle Ugusi Baba Shayama. The only thing that they had was Bamba pain. If you could check. Badlala ngomthetho if you check badlala ngondlovu bathatha uShabalala bambeke benchini they didn't have ingqondo yoku-attacka they didn't have ingqondo yokurana behind the Pirates the only thing that they had because bayistop i-Pirates and they did well puzzle abisebenzile why I'm saying this because of siphume 1-1 Stibo not a good game for the Pirates. Knowing them because bazofuna ku-attacka, knowing them because bazofuna ma point. But kichimisi title race, it's not that easy. So, Stibo, if you delay a game, not 30 minutes, pin to delay game, which is quarter to 4. Omunyo 4 or 5 minutes. Ukawata abantu laba bafuna kugijimisa race you know abantu laba banganandaba ne race abanankingi we can delay the game noma kunini noma sikhathini ku delay game kosikhawathini
khabathi Pirates
umremi the first of 20 minutes kulimala kwamremi kosikhawathini
too much
you know
too much
so disappointments nakhona ucoach masapo wakhe keep up police akumelanga keep up police in these situations umfuking off ngathi Steve besingafuni kuwina but sigijimisa race you know mokunzima Steve anginamagama man mokunzima man but angeke ngithi ku draw ke Sundown kuyangijabulisa angeke ngithi ku draw kwethu kuyasijabulisa kunzima mfethu league especially if Sundown thatha league for 7 years the past 9 years kunzima kusithina nyalo kumele si-settle down this league it's going to be very difficult Steve mara well done to both coaches and yonke into le especially kuthi ngitela kule interview Steve ngitala ngala ukukhuluma ngegame ngidobonga production yethu you know usiphiwe nani ngephasing yamakwami talent mama ushonile ngithola Steve so ngizelana kuzobonga ukuthi kuseba fethu ngiyabonga usiphiwe kangifonela every day angicheck up ukuthi njani ngibonga umphakathi wasi la ngihlala khona eMpumalanga Pilgrims Leadenburg Graskop Nelspruit Hazyview all the people that they came to support me ngicabuma kwami especially the reason why ngilana is because of Usphiwe he is the guy who kangifonela from day one yangithola until ekugcineni ngicabuma mama so I'm here to say thank you for your support bafethu big ups and asiphela umoya ezibhakani yesithibo sazobuya sure nje yami sure
ntwana ngazi